Get the bird. Get the bird. Go get it. Right now. Yeah, go get the bird. Go get it, girl.